Customs. I'm going to show you a real quick video of how to install the front bumper bracket kits when you guys do the nose swap on the 11 to 16. If you have a 99 to 07 truck, you put your 11 to 16 nose on it, and you decide to buy my bumper bracket kit, because this is the correct way of installing the bumper. This is how the pieces will go. So after you have everything trimmed like you would in the regular instructions, you can put these at the frame rail inserts. They can go into the frame if you want to. You don't have to put them in, but if you decide to put them in, 2 holes go through the original hook holes, and then you can weld this in all the way around, and this will give you a box front frame rail. It's in front of the crumple zone, so it makes it pretty much as strong as it always was. So you can put that in if you choose to put it in, have somebody weld it. You don't have to put those in, it's up to you. This is your front frame plates. You got a left and a right. But this is basically, you want to install them very simple. You can install them on the truck real fast. Real fast you install them on the truck, and this will hold it in place. And these 2 holes is now where your new bumper will go. You will have the 2 holes, so this pushes, this is your original 2 holes. This is lowering your 2 holes. This is where your new holes are going to go. That's pretty much it. You do that to both sides, the plates stay there. Use the bolts out of the hardware kit for that. Now these are your outriggers. The front longer section goes to the front of the truck on each side. They'll be opposites. And then you want this piece here for your flange for your bumper to come out at a 45-degree angle. Very simple what you do here. On 4-wheel drive trucks, this is your front mount for your leaf spring. It's 2 bolts that hold them on the sides. They're bolted from underneath. It's very simple to do. On 2-wheel drive trucks, you don't have this bracket, but the 2 holes are still there. And on the coil spring trucks, you also don't have these brackets anymore, but the holes are also still there. All you do is you line these 2 holes up directly over the 2 holes in the frame and put your bolts back in. Very, very simple. That's it. That's how easy it is. You do this to the same on both sides, and this is your entire bumper install on the truck. So this is your outrigger. It can move back and forth. You just loosen it up. It'll move back and forth to push it right against your bumper, however you need it. When you're done, you bolt this 2 to your outside of your bumper, wherever it is, and you snug these 3 bolts back up. That's it. That's the whole install. So you have your front plate here, and these are the 2 holes you'll be using for your new install. And then you have this bracket here. Like I said, the cuts go to the front, so you can clear this hump, and that puts this in the right location. So that's the entire nose, bumper install you're going to need.